Oh man, the headlights to the tailpipes is round here on Eastern. Celebrity Car Show has got two guys that have got a couple Carreras behind me. Now, these cars are running and you can hear that little purr. Oh boy, look at that little beauty. I got red and I got white. Guys, what have I got? Which year is this?
84.
It's an 84. And have you done anything to it?
It's a Euro. It's a real WPOZZ VIN number. So this car was brought to the U.S. by the original owner in '96 because you had to wait about 10, 11 years. So I have different bumpers. Those are Euro bumpers. It sits lower. It's got the turn signal on the front fender that only comes on a Euro. And it's got a higher compression. The U.S. 9.8. This is 10.8. So it's got, instead of 205 horse, it has 236. He has a 2.7 liter, that's about 180 horse. So this is stock. This is a very fast Carrera.
How long you had it?
I bought it for my birthday, August 20th of this year.
Ah, a birthday present to himself.
I got another red Porsche that a guy's coming to pick up Monday that I'm selling. This is called God's Red. And this is my fourth Porsche. But I'm gonna keep this one for a while.
Once a Porsche daddy, always a Porsche daddy. All right, so now he's got the fourth one in a row.
Notice, I'm the GM at Carl's Place. It says it on the front. All we do for 44 years are Porsches. And the 900 series, we're gonna be on the Velocity TV sometime next year, showing how to take care and preserve, and if you have to, restore one of these.
Wow.
My name's Ramon Montez.
This is Ramon Montez.
The owner is a guru. His name's Tony Mazzagatti. Everyone knows him. If it comes to Porsche, he's kind of like the encyclopedia, so I got a great mentor. These are great on the track. They're made to get out and run the shit out of. My dad's Porsche when I was 5 was a '63 Corvair. He loved Corvairs, so I'm living his dream. I lost my dad 2 years ago, but when I got my first Porsche, he was sitting right there in the seat with me.
I love it. Hey, you got to find somebody who can take good care of your car so you can get out there and you can use them every single day. That's your headlights to your tailpipes. I'm Josh. Thanks for tuning in.